Good morning. We are at Productronica India 2026 Delhi edition, and we are at a stall which needs no introduction. We are at Panasonic India stall, and with us we have two gentlemen, Mr. Vishal Dahiya, who is Director for Factory Automation Systems, and we have Mr. Osamu Shimada-san, who is Deputy Managing Director for Panasonic Life Sciences in India. So, Mr. Dahiya, how is Electronica treating you this year?
Yeah, it's great. It's just a first day, so we are expecting, a response quite better actually.
So, Mr. Diya, can you please tell us? You are Director of Factory Automation System. Can you briefly tell our readers what exactly Panasonic's this division is all about and how it is helping your customers?
Panasonic Smart Factory Solution is a division company under Panasonic Life Solution. So we are operating with three verticals of business in under this. So one is factory automation, which from where we are now sitting right now for displaying the solutions in that. And the second is the welding systems, where we are selling welding machines and welding robots. And third is the digital factory solutions. We provide digitalization for the floors, for the factories, for the industry.
Skill dependency is a word which is very predominantly used with automation. Can you please tell our readers how skill dependency is reduced through your automation solutions?
Yeah, so as we are gearing up for more and more manufacturing in India, but the ecosystem is like that we don't have that many people, skilled people actually, no. So demand is more quality manufacturing. So we have solutions in our machine which reduce the dependency of the skilled manpower actually, no.
Okay.
So we have a software solutions which can be triggered so that the consistency of output can be maintained, irrespective of the person is aware of those skills or not. Actually,
Okay.
yeah.
And how is Panasonic's this division is helping in national semiconductor mission? Can you please briefly explain this to us?
Yeah, this is now one of the most talked in the industry. So India is gearing up for the semicon setup, and ecosystem is getting ready in the semicon sector also. And Panasonic also have a lot of solutions to provide for the semicon industry. We do have the clients who are already using Panasonic solution in India.
Okay. Mr. Daya, you have launched this advanced welding machines. Can you tell us more about this automation in welding segment and how this is helping your customers?
In the welding section, we have launched automation in the robotic mode, the new robot series actually, no, for more quality and precise welding, as well as for handling the wide variety of metals actually, or substance. So this is what we have been doing in the welding category. Actually.
And which all industries you are covering in this?
From welding division, we are covering majority of the automotive, four-wheeler, two-wheeler, and infrastructure for the construction equipments and the refineries.
Any specific case study that you want to share without naming the client, that which has helped your client?
Yeah, there are many such case studies. In especially, we are dominating in the automotive market. We do have our own division who create the system solution for the complex jobs. Actually, we do design we understand the customer need, and based on that, we design the systems and then club with the system integrator using their strength. We provide those solutions to our customers. Yeah.
And what level of customization can be expected from the client's end?
Yeah, customers want more and more automation nowadays, as we explained, not only in the welding section, whereas in the SMT also. So customers expect that more and more automation can be incorporated in the manufacturing line. So that's how Panasonic is building the backend system so that those can be incorporated in our SMT system.
Okay. And if we have to give a number, what level of customization in terms of percentage client to client varies, and you can accommodate that request from your client?
Actually, to be very frank, majority of the manufacturing is still on the standard equipments, and depending on the client need, especially more in the automotive sector and the new application of the PCBs. Their customers look forward for some kind of a more customized solutions. Yeah.
Great. We have also with us Osamu Shimada-san with us, who is Deputy Manager, Managing Director of Panasonic Smart Factory Solutions in India. Hi, Shimada-san. How is India for you?
Yeah, it's a very potential and emerging market. So we'd like to continue contribute to this manufacturing industry in India.
Okay. Shimada-san, as an expert in surface mount technology, with major shifts that you have seen in the PCB assembly divisions across this segment, in India specifically, how 5G is devices and high intensity automotive electronics you are helping customers in these segments?
Yeah, it's a very fast speed to improve this network solutions and automotive solutions. For example, automotive, it's a case connected automation, S safety, E energy. Sorry, I forgot. But this kind of very rapid improvement in India. So based on this function and improvement, this PCB related for the PCB industry, that demand is very huge. And technically also we need to support. And also software like traceabilities. So not only the hardware of the equipment, but also the software system we should support for this automotive and the tier 1 companies.
Shimada-san, you play a key role in localizing Panasonic's tech in India. Can you give some examples how you are helping customers and Panasonic itself in localizing the tech?
For example, we have that 3 pillars for this business, and the digital factory is one of the collaboration system to traceability or parts verification. In this kind of the system, we are now developing with India software company. It's a big collaboration with them. This is one of the localizations, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
We are building the infrastructure also. We recently opened our new demo training center in Bangalore to skill up the operators as train the people in that region. And we are also enhancing our head repair center here, even the feeder repair center also here. So this center we are going to enhance in the Noida also in the coming time. So this is how we are, expanding our footprint actually, to support the customers. Yeah.
Correct. See, manufacturers today deal with rapidly changing consumer demands. How Panasonic is helping adapt these changes for your customers? How you are helping them as an organization?
Yeah, one of the solution is localized our FA training centers and the repair centers that we are now building in Bangalore and will renewal in the Noida.
Correct.
That we need to accelerate for the support to the customers. It's a spare parts or consumable parts also we can provide in locally.
Okay. So you emphasize faster ROI for your customers or manufacturers locally here. In area of high capital expenditure for automation, what is the typical payback period that you can suggest your customers can have?
Depend on the which process they required for the automation, but some of the case that ROI will be less than 1 year, but some of the case more than 3 years, 4 years. It depends, but we can contribute this kind of the automation demand from the customers.
Finally, with India's rise as electronics export hub, that is what we have been trying for last couple of years, and we have certainly succeeded at certain levels also. So how PSFSIN or Panasonic Life Science that made in India products meet the stringent quality standards that worldwide customers need? And how is Panasonic helping them to achieve that?
Bit difficult, but firstly, we would like to fully understand what is the customer need for the quality point of view, and it's a bit different from the global. And firstly, we should match what kind of the quality need from the customers, and we should India manufacturing, we accelerate for the export business also. So we need to learn for the global quality standard every time. Yeah.
Great, gentlemen. It was a pleasure talking to you. Anything that you want to tell your customers outside who are waiting? I can see a lot of customers waiting for you guys through our channel. You want to tell something to them?
We are here with a lot of automation solutions. So please do visit us and see the latest trend in electronic manufacturing. Yeah.
Great. Thank you, gentlemen. Pleasure speaking to you. Thank you.